Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sony headphones on your PS5. There are three main ways to connect your headphones for an immersive gaming experience. You can use a wired connection directly to your controller or console. For official Sony wireless headsets, a USB dongle is the key. If you have other Bluetooth headphones, you will need a specific USB adapter. Let's dive into each method to get you set up quickly. For official Sony wireless headsets, like the Pulse 3D or InZone models, the setup is quite simple. First, locate the small USB dongle that came with your headset. Plug this dongle into any available USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. Next, power on your wireless headset. The headset and dongle should automatically connect, indicated by a solid light on both devices. You'll then hear your game audio through the headset. If you prefer a wired connection, simply plug your headphones into the 3.5mm audio jack located at the bottom of your DualSense controller. For USB wired headsets, connect them directly to one of the console's USB ports. For non-Sony Bluetooth headphones, the PS5 does not support direct pairing. You will need a third-party USB Bluetooth adapter. Plug the adapter into a console USB port. Put both devices into pairing mode, and they should connect. Once your headphones are connected, you can optimize your audio experience. Press the PlayStation button on your controller to access the quick menu, then navigate to the sound option. Here, you can select your headphones as the output device and adjust the volume. For compatible headsets, enable three-dimensional audio for an immersive soundstage. You can also use the audio focus feature to amplify quiet sounds, giving you a competitive edge in many games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.